Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the startup sound on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, there's actually a setting we're going to need to turn off first. So what we want to do is come down to the search bar down here and type control panel. Then just go ahead and open up the control panel. And once that's opened, you should see something that looks like this. If it doesn't, if you come to the top right hand corner and then just click this drop down box and make sure it's selected to large icons. And once that's done, what you want to do is locate the power options, which is down here. And then just go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, what we're going to do is go to the menu on the left hand side and we're going to click on to choose what the power button does. And then what we're going to do is click this link at the top which says change settings that are currently unavailable. And what we want to do is just make sure this top box where it says turn on fast startup is actually unticked. So if that is ticked, it's normally by default it is turned on. So you just want to make sure that's turned off first. And once that's done, just go ahead and click Save Changes at the bottom. And then you can cross out of the power options. So once that's done, the next step is to come down to the bottom right hand corner. And what you want to do is right click on the speaker icon down here. And then just go ahead and click onto the top option, which says Open Sound Settings. And that's going to load up the sound settings. And what you want to then do is come to the menu on the right hand side up here. And then go ahead and click onto Sound Control Panel. And then from here, what you want to do is actually click onto Sounds, which is this tab at the top here. And then what you need to do is come down and make sure this box is ticked, which says Play Windows Startup Sound. And then go ahead and click Apply and OK. So that's set up ready to go. To actually change what sound gets played, what I recommend doing is downloading a third-party application, which is called Startup Sound Changer. And it's going to be this top result that comes up on Google. So you just want to download this via Softonic. And once that's downloaded, what you can do is actually open up that application. And you'll see you'll have an option there which says replace. And you just need to click the replace button. And then you'll be able to choose any sound you've downloaded to use as a startup sound for Windows. Just a quick note that it does only support .wav files, so if it is something like a .mp4 or something like that, it won't be supported. So please make sure when you download the sound you want to use that it is a .wav format. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.